Hello friends, I hope you are doing good. Today in this video I am going to explain the feature of our WP Protect content. Okay, we have created this plugin to give extra protection to your WordPress website content. Okay, so let's start. First I am going to install our plugins on my local host. WP Protect content. Okay, so you can see this is our plugins. Okay, and these are the basic features of our plugin. Disallow copy content, disallow right click, disallow F12 functional key, and modern alert box, and disable the alert box message as well. Okay, so let's just install it. Plugin is now installed. Let's activate. Okay, so plugin is now ready to use. Okay, so there are three way to access our plugin settings. You can access the plugins via settings button, or you can we have given the option here, and you can access the under settings section as well. Okay, so let's browse the setting of the WP. Okay, so these are the basic setting of our plugin. Okay, disallow copy content. Okay, so let's visit our website. Okay, so you can see I am able to copy content. Okay, I am able to copy content. So now check the checkbox disallow copy content. Okay, so let's refresh, and now okay, I am trying to copy the content. Okay, in same way, but I am not able to copy existing website content. Okay, so you can see no one can copy your website content. Okay, so disable F12 key. Okay, let's disable F12 key. Okay, when you will press F12, it will open the inspect element. Okay, and via inspect element you can select the any post or any image as well. Okay, for example, if you want to download this, then I need to select, and we can easily save the image of the website pages. Okay, so let's deactivate it and refresh the page. Okay, and now I am trying to press the F12, but it's not showing. Okay, so hide alert box, let me set it to no. Okay, so you will able to see the pop-up alert box. Okay, when I go into alert box, you can see sorry F12 has been disabled. Okay, and same way when I am copy, there is nothing happen. Okay, so disable mouse right click. Okay, currently I am able to right click using mouse right key. Okay, so in this way I can save your images as very easily. Okay, so to protect your website images or website content, you can disable the mouse right click. Okay, so let me refresh it. You can see sorry right click has been disabled. Okay, so you will not able to click on an image. Okay, so user can't save an image or content of your website. Okay, so you can use this right click one, and I have disabled the drag and drop. Okay, so you have noticed sometime user can save your website image via drag and drop functionality. Okay, for example, if I select this image, then I can save it via drag, and when I will paste it on any window or desktop, then image will be automatically saved on on your window. Okay, so same way, if I select this one, I can shape the image by drag and drop on my local system as well, and in same way I can shape this image as well. Okay, so to disable this feature, let me check and refresh. Now I am able to select, drag the any images, but as I have disabled the copy, drag and save images option, so I am not able to drag the images in my local system. So in this way, no one can save your website images on their local system as well. Okay, so this is default alert message. Okay, you can see this is the default alert message. Okay, and if you want custom, then you can choose custom. Okay, so these are the simple setting of our plugins. By using these features, you can easily give extra protection to your website content. Okay, so I hope all settings are clear for you and you will enjoy these plugins on our website to give extra protection to your website images, website content. And and one more thing I want to let you know, that we have provided the add-on of the our this plugin as well. Okay, so in add-on we are going to provide some extra features, including our free feature, like an option to disable control P, means no one can print your website pages. Okay, if you will disable the disallow the copy of the content, so no one will able to copy of your website or images content printout. Okay, so an option to disable F12, it's already given in free version. Okay, an option to disable right click, it's also already in free version. Disable to print of the page. Okay, this is the copy of the content, and this is for control P, means no will able to disallow to copy the print. Okay, so no one will be able to print out the page. Disallow save image. Okay, in this way you will not able to save, no one will able to save your page as HTML. Okay, and option to disable view source, you can give the feature to your website, so no one will able to view your source, and no one will easily able to use your website content HTML source file. Okay, an option to disable save image by dog, this also feature in available. Stylish alert box. Okay, so these are some important features in our add-on. Okay, and one more thing we have given in add-on, you will able to allow right click on link, hyperlink on your website content. Okay, so these are our add-on feature. If you like want to use any these features, then you can download our add-on from our official website. I have given the link here. Okay, here you can access the our add-on website. Okay, so we have given the different plan here, so as per your requirement you can purchase any one plan. So guys, I hope you like this video, and all settings are confusion, all settings questions are clear for you. Okay, if you will have any quick query regarding to our plugin, then you can leave your in video comment box. Okay, and if you want to give any suggestions, then you can also leave your suggestion in comment box. I will provide you link in video description box to download our add-on and free version as well. Okay, so guys, take care. If you like my video, if my plugin will really help on your website to give extra protection, then please don't forget to leave your valuable feedback about our plugins on WordPress official page. Okay, so official page, this is our WordPress official page. Okay, okay, plugin. So here you can leave your valuable feedback by give the best rating, as already many users give the good rating to us as per our support or our services. So on basis of you can also leave your rating here. So guys, it's enough for today. I will back again with new video with new information. Okay, so bye, take care.